It has different levels, so bald head, big head, small head, little head, your head gonna fit, okay? Brush it. 160. Barry's hair, fashion. These are my true and honest opinions and reviews. I spent my own money, okay? I didn't had a wig for going on 3 years with them that then traveled to like 20 countries by now. And it is still going strong, barely shedding. It just shed for the first time in its life. I use my products from the Dollar Tree and my secret formula. My secret formula, fabric softener, okay? I'm about to do the same thing in this just to soften it up a little bit more. It feels soft, but I'm telling y'all, when you take it out of that concoction, warm water and stuff, with some fabric softener and hair conditioner, it's gonna be soft, baby. It's gonna smell good for weeks. 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 Barry's hair, get at me, because I need some more hair. I was trying to reach the record button. So, what's up, glam crew? It is your girl, Nikki, the glam teacher. Today, we are going to wash my hair. Not this hair, we're gonna wash that hair. So that hair is just sitting in some plain water right now. Is my refrigerator like really loud, or is it me? It's not loud. Yeah, it sounds really, really loud. Anyways, we got some hair, y'all. I got a new wig. So, like I said, I moved here, no clothes, no nothing, but I did grab my wigs. And then I thought at first I didn't. And the same place I ordered this original wig from, I had this wig for like 3 years. No, I got this wig. When I get this wig? I got this wig, it was January 22. Yeah, January 22. I remember to the time my cousin was living with me. This was 2021, and I had surgery that year. And then the following year, at the beginning of the year, she was like, girl, you gotta try some wigs out. Once you get a good wig, it's gonna last. And I was like, well, my budget is like $175. And she was telling me to try Amazon. And I'm like, I don't, Amazon will say something, the description will say something, the pictures will look nice, and when you get it in a week, a month, it don't be right. I need a place where I can go in person. I'm gonna show y'all a trick that I did it just playing around with some stuff, and it keep my human hair wigs soft and smelling good. Just stay tuned, watch the full video, get into it. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I got this wig in January 2022, and my budget was $175, right? Let me rinse this with some soap really quick, and I'm gonna come right back to y'all. Shampoo. You don't need a lot of shampoo or expensive shampoo. You get this at Dollar Tree. That's all you need. Rinse it like you are literally cleaning clothes for like laundry. Just rinse it out real good like this. Swish it side to side. Let the water drain. You don't need a lot of water. You don't need a lot of soap. And boom, look, my water is back dirty again. I'm going to do this 2 times, and then I am going to rinse with clear water, no soap, and then I'm gonna do my conditioner, and then I will come back and show y'all this trick. So let me show y'all the water now that the wig has been washed and rinsed twice. See how the water is clear? And that's warm water. I don't use cold water, hot water, I use warm. Then I'm gonna go in with this conditioner right at the Dollar Tree. You don't need expensive product. I do add a lot of heat up here, so I want to make sure I'm taking care of that top part. And remember, I am not a cosmetologist. I am not a licensed professional to do hair. This is just what I do, and this has been working for me. All right, this has been working for me. Make sure I'm using conditioner. And now my sister, she does hair. Jasmine, I'm gonna put her information somewhere in here. She is in Atlanta and Louisiana, somewhere near New Orleans. So if you're looking for a braider or somebody, hit her up. I love when she does this special. She will do a name your price special. So if you want to get a wig installed or a sew-in, a traditional sew-in or something, you name your price and that is what she's going to do, and that's what you're going to pay. So I had got a sew-in with this hair, and it wasn't this wig, but I had used hair from this company. Let me show y'all the company. So this is the wig. Oh, hold on, I can't even see the name. It's called Berry's Fashion. They are in Atlanta, Georgia. They ship internationally. You can't see the name, but it just ships in this bag. But you can go in person and buy bundles. You can buy wigs, all of your extension needs, okay? I started out just buying a few bundles from them, and they was lovely. I washed them and rinsed them. This was my first time really trying a weave like years ago. And I was like, how do I get the hair to like smell really good and be really soft? This is me, just experimenting. I experiment a lot, and this has worked out for me for years. Let me show y'all what I do. Yes, this is fabric softener. I put a cap full of fabric softener up in here. And baby, this wig, let me do 2, like a cap and a half. Cause I have been mistreating my wig. It smelled like hookah, oldness. Where did I travel last? Oh, it didn't travel with me. This wig done been like at least 12 countries. It done went with me to Dominican Republic, Jamaica. It went to France, Belgium, Amsterdam, and all type of water conditions, and it has not failed me. Going on 3 years, baby. Okay. And I paid like $200. So my budget was $175 for this wig. Let me just switch this around. This is what your water gonna look like with the fabric softener and everything on there. And just lay it back like that. Got your wig in there, good to go. It's gonna smell so good. So that wig has traveled everywhere with me, and that's what I do. It's gonna come out so soft and smooth. And when I had the bundles, my sister was like, girl, these are so soft. Where you get this hair at? It's not shredded. She put it in there. 3 weeks later, she like, oh my God, it's smelling good. It's looking good still. This fabric softener, if you're not somewhere with a lot of heavy smells and smoke, your hair is gonna smell really good and it's gonna last long, okay? So get you some good fabric softener. It's not gonna mess up the fibers. It hasn't messed up my wig, and I promise y'all, I've been doing this for like 4 years on my hair from Berry's Fashion, all right? Now, she was like, this is the best hair ever. Let's get into this new wig that I just got from Berry's Fashion. And when I got that one, like I said, my budget was $175, and I was like, I want it to be thicker. So you can get the density thicker. It was 180% density and it's 22 inches long, and it had the lace. It's like 4x4 lace. Now, don't ask me too many questions in the comments because I don't know about the lace, the HD, the transparent. I don't get all into that. Okay? I just go with what looked good. I don't do the baby hairs and all of that stuff. Don't ask me. I don't know. Now this is a 22-inch body wave from Barry's Hair. I didn't go in person because I just moved and I didn't have time. It looks like they put an extra extender if you need to make it longer. I hope I don't need to do that because I don't know how to do that. We ain't about to get into that. You got your snaps right here on the side. This is a 4x4 lace. I don't need all of that stuff. I'm not doing all of that makeup. I give me some lace tint, which I don't have right now. It's like foam lace tint. You just put it in there, let it dry, then boom, put some more, let it dry. I have a video from a different company and I put the lace tint on there. This has a little extra part where you can insert your clip right here. I just want to throw this wig on and see how bomb I look in it. So I'm just going to put this clip on the second hook. It has different levels. So bald head, big head, small head, little head. Your head gonna fit, okay? Bam. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. I need to put the clips in. Let me take my glasses off for a second. You know, you take your glasses off, you be like, how I look without my glasses, glam crew? Okay, so you put your clips right there. Ooh, this is so bomb. And then turn it to the back. Put your clips right here. You can do a wig cap if you desire. I don't got no hair. And then what you're gonna do is just cut your lace how you want it. See, my hairline is a little bit back here. So I'm gonna put back just a little bit. Cut your lace how you want it. Or, I don't know if this gonna look right. For the moment, we gonna tuck this lace in here. Okay. Oh. Yes, baby. It's giving body, body, hey, hey. Wipe me down, wipe me down, hey. Oh, let me grab my comb. Brush it. 160. Barry's Hair Fashion. These are my true and honest opinions and reviews. I spent my own money, okay? I done had a wig for going on 3 years with them that then traveled to like 20 countries by now. And it is still going strong, barely shedding. It just shed for the first time in its life. I use my products from the Dollar Tree and my secret formula. My secret formula fabric softener, okay? I'm about to do the same thing in this just to soften it up a little bit more. It feels soft, but I'm telling y'all, when you take it out of that concoction, warm water and stuff, with some fabric softener and hair conditioner, it's gonna be soft, baby. It's gonna smell good for weeks. 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 Barry's Hair, get at me, because I need some more hair. But I love their products. I'm not no wig person. I might get on here and style this wig. Let me know in the comments if y'all like this video. If you all would like to see more videos like this, definitely jump in the comments. Let me know what you want to see and I will do it. You just gotta let me know. So I'm just not on here talking to myself and nobody listening. Let your girl know. Let me try and get a little thumbnail because this is cute. Oh, and I let this sit in my little concoction of conditioner for about, I don't even do a time. I know at least 30 minutes. Yeah, at least 30 minutes. And then I rinse it in cool water and I let it air dry. I hang it up on the door, put a towel down and just let it drip, air dry. I don't add nothing else to it. I might add a little bit of I might add a little bit of hairspray just to give it a little shine, a little boost. Not too much. Not too much. This is human hair. You gotta take care of your hair if you want it to last. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye, Glam Crew. Let me know what you think about this new color. Is it giving fall? Bye, y'all.